Hi. On today's instructional video with me and Hla, we're going to show you how to make an iPhone ringtone. Okay? You want to bust open your iTunes. Why don't you pick a nice little song? Maybe some, let's see here. Let's go with, we'll do Metallica. We will do Death Magnetic. Here's what you want to do. You want to select your timings. What time is it? Sure. 27. Alright, so you're 127 to 138. So, here's what you do. You select your song. Okay. You go to Advanced, and you want to create an ACC version. Okay. You want to dance like a la. So, there it is. Your ACC version is created, although I just don't see it. So, click over to Muse. So, here's our tunes. It's from the Death Magnetic album. Okay. It should be somewhere. It's right here. Here's my ACC version, okay? You want to right click. This is for Macs only. Macs, okay? I want to get some info on the tune, right? Here's your info. Go to options, okay? Options. Start time, okay? Remember our start time was 1:27. And our stop time was 1:38. You want to click OK. Now, here's what you want to do. This is your new established file. It's always right under your original. What you want to do is go back to Advanced, create another ACC version of this little song. Right, La? Alright. ACC created. If you see, it's 11 seconds long. You're going to need this program here. Make iPhone ringtones. There will be a link in the description. Alright, so the best way to do this, I find, is right-click. What is it? Show and Finder. There's your tune. Here's what you want to do. There it is. Drag it here. There it is. Reopen your iTunes. Ringtones. There it is. So when you sync up your iPhone, you drag this into your ringtones folder of your iPhone. So that's my tutorial for the day. Alright, La? Say bye. Bye. Bye.